beauty of growing veg in a small vegetable patch in your garden is, even when you don't feel at your best, you've only got to open the door and just take a walk down the garden. You know, it's on your doorstep basically, so you can still get out and have a little look round, see if there's anything new that you can harvest. Let's go and have a look. Well, I'm definitely not with it today, because I picked the beans and then realised I'd not turned camera on. But at the end of the day, you've all seen me pick beans before. But once again, that same plant, we keep getting loads of beans and freezing them, so it's really good. But we've also got some more tomatoes to take. Lovely little cherry tomatoes. Just be careful we don't take any that's not ripe. Like I say, with these plants, they set their fruit all at once. Basically, you can see some more tiny ones coming there. But once all these have ripened, then that's it. They're not like your regular tomato plants where they just keep growing longer and making more and more fruit. But you get loads and loads off these plants. Take that one and leave that other one a little bit longer, I think. I have got two of these plants, so got a couple on here. We harvested from this one the other day, but now there's a few more ready, so it's really good. So we'll take these off. But even better than that, the regular tomato plants are coming ripe. That one's ready to go. So that's his first regular tomato of the year. And there's a couple on here as well. So we'll take those. And there's a couple on this plant. And on here as well. Take them off as soon as you can, and the others will ripen quicker. So that's a little bit of something for us this morning. And back in this greenhouse once again with cucumbers. This plant's fell down, so we're going to have to pin that back up. I'll do that in a little while. But we'll take this cucumber off first. We just constantly keep getting really nice cucumbers from these plants. This tomato plant's right weird. It's got massive tomatoes on them, really big, nice tomatoes. And then next to it, two tiny ones. Don't know what that's all about. But I think if we can, we've got a bit of maintenance to do. I don't think I'm going to be doing it today. I don't feel like it, to be fair. And even on one of these plants in here, we've got a tomato that's ready to go. Nice little tomatoes. Well, everything in here is looking really good, but I don't think we've got any peppers that we can take at the moment. They're still a bit small. That's the biggest one that we've got so far, which is not a bad size, but I think I want to let it grow a bit bigger. But on this Outdoor Girl tomato plant, we have got a couple of tomatoes ready now. I've been taking these branches off again, get extra light. More light they get, quicker they ripen. So all these underneath are hid from sun a lot at time. So it's always better to just take them off like that. The bottom leaves don't really do anything at this stage. So I just take off what I can, and then everything gets loads more light, which results in this happening a lot quicker. And it's really strange that we've got two tomatoes on the same plant growing next to each other. And this one is quite small. And then next to it, we've got this big one. But nice tomato. So grateful for whatever we get when we're doing this. So just a quick walk around today, but we still got a nice little harvest there, and it's really good to see all these regular tomatoes coming ripe now, because that's one of the main things that people wait for in the season, is the peppers and the tomatoes. But if you look at these garden pearl, as they're called, cherry tomatoes, these ripen to more of a pink than a red. They do vary, even on the same plant. You might get some that go kind of regular cherry red, and then some that have got more pinky tinge to them. But once we start getting as regular tomatoes, no matter how you feel, if that don't bring a smile to your face, nothing will. Never ending supply of cucumbers every week, and loads of these French beans again that we just keep freezing. But if you've got your own little vegetable plot in your back garden, you've always got something to cheer you up when you go out there and take these little harvests. So if you haven't got one this year, think about getting one ready for next year. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, really appreciate it. You all take care.